lovelies! So for today's video, I'm going to cash up my rollover money last month. This is what's left for a month after, if you haven't seen it, it's on my last video. I will put it on the link. I will put in this corner so you can watch it why I have this $580 rollover. This is what's left for our budget last July. So as I said in the video, this $80 will go to our emergency saving challenge, which is, hold on, which is from Two Sister Bees. So I have here $80. This is from our miscellaneous leftover. And let's put 8, and let's color 8 here. Let's see. Where's the envelope? I don't make mistake. Let's see that. How much is here? 70. So total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 150. Let's see. It should be 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So one more. 15. So the money that if I completed this challenge, it will goes to our emergency fund. So what's next? So I have $500 here, and I need some change, but let's get into this challenge first so I can have a change. This saving challenge from Christy Budgets. So let's do this challenge. So basically you have to roll 2 dice or 1 die, and then whatever the dice rolled, you have to count it in here, and whatever it lands on, you have to save that amount. You have to save that number. So for this one, let's see. I haven't finished it. The last one is 22, and I have $34 here already. So it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 28. Let's grab pink. Oh, where is it? Pink. There. 28. I just do like that first. So 28. 500 minus 28. Hold on then. 28 plus. So 9. 1, 2. 3. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 7. 28 plus 7. Let's change this into red. Where's the red one? There. Let's roll it. So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 13. Plus 13. Let's roll again. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 20. Plus 20. Maybe last one. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 24. Plus 24. So this is spicy. It's really. You think I can roll one more? Yeah, let's roll one more. So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 30. So this July, how much we save? Let's see first. Let's save plus 30. So 122. 122 here. And I owe you of $3, so 125 plus 3 equals minus 500 because I need some change. 375. 1, 2, 3, 70, 75. All right, I have 600 here now. Hey, hey, hey. So happy. 375. 375. So no more IOUs. And let's tally this one. So this one, I total 34 plus 28. So the total here is 62. And this one, the total is, this is not calculated because it's public holiday. 7 plus 12 plus 20 plus 24 plus 30. 93. Alright, yay! No IOU. So which one is next? Let's go for Save with Judy. Save 2024 $25 for a month in 2024. So I just need to count January, February, March, April, May, June, July, so August. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me finish this. So make it 840. 5, 10, 15, 20. Hold on. 25, 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So I put 40 here until here. Until here. Where's my marker? Color? Yeah. Till here. And so I need to get $10 here. And let's change that $100 because there's a lot of change here. Let's see. 300. Let's see. 1, 300. This it. 100, 40, 60, 80, 300. Give me this 300 then. Now I got 310 here. Yay! So if you're asking why I keep on saving, yeah, I'm a saver. I save, I keep saving and later on I will allocate it. And let's see where to allocate. So let me color this and I get back to you. So what's next? Let me put it away first. Next one gonna be this from Deep Planning Budget. And I'm behind with this one. So each icon is $5. Let me see if we still have much. So I can finish 1, 2, 3, 30, 40, 50, 60. Let's finish 60 here. Let's put 60. 5, 10, 15, 30. Yeah, 60. So this done. And you know what's happened when the chubby challenges is done? Just ring the bell. Go and put $1 there. I just set it aside because I don't have the envelope yet. So this $60. And I will stop there. Where is it? Here. Next one. Oh, let me just put a mark in here. 1, 2, 3. I don't need to color much. So I just leave August here. And next saving challenge, this one. Okay. So let's do how much? This one? 29 plus 2 plus 15 plus 9 plus 23 plus 20 plus 22 plus 22. So 120. 120. Isn't it? 29 plus 2 plus 15 plus 9 plus 23 plus 20 plus 22. Yeah, 120. Until here. So this. And how much now in Save 2024? But in 2024, this saving challenge is from the Almost Organized Owl. And let's see, 500, 600, 640. Yay! 640. Oh, I still have the 650. Yay! And which one's next? I think the puzzle one. Just let me take it. And where is it? Here. So this challenge is from Rock's Budget. I've been doing this for a long time now and I haven't finished it. So let's put $50 here. So this color one then. So this one. This is for my daughter's graduation, but still I haven't done it yet. I haven't finished it yet. It's been so long since I started it, but I know I will finish this year, but let's see how long. So this $50 here, put it into Mystery Puzzle by Rocks here. And now it got 600, 720. Yay! I haven't updated it yet, but anyway, it is what it is. So this is the end of my video. I hope it's inspired you some way, and I still have $4 here. Really? Oh, okay. So what I'm going to do with this one? So let me grab my empty jar. Yes, it is empty now. I already count it and I have already filmed it, but I haven't shown you yet. I will film it soon when I'm cash stuffing or when I'm doing different videos. Okay, so for now, this is the end of my video. Thank you for stopping by. Have a great day and see you next time. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful always. Bye. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.